Hi, I'm Dr. Samhitha. I'm a board certified colorectal surgeon and proctologist. I have done my MS general surgery and then went for several fellowships which included colorectal surgery, minimal invasive, laparoscopic surgeries and proctology fellowships in Delhi, Pune and other places. And after finishing all the courses, I've come back to my favorite city to practice here in Hyderabad. I'm currently practicing in Lux Hospitals, Gachibowli. Here we have modern state-of-art facilities and we have all the harmonic, the latest dual wavelength laser devices and even the latest laparoscopic facilities to help patients heal better and feel better. If you are having any bottom issues, do not hesitate and come and show us. We will help you make feel better. Thank you.